Alright, it's just about to be a quick video. Boys, he about to add some shit on his 2019 Scatpack. He about to add a Wicker Bill like I got on my car. He gonna add one of these. He got a charger though, so he got a 2019 charger, so those are different. And he also gonna add some lowering springs to lower his car. I'm about to head there now. It's hot, it's early, I'm low-key sick. Go ahead. Alright, you see, just a quick video. So we got a 2019 Scatpack 392, hit me whatever you want to call it. You got the Wicker Bill, he about to put it on right here. And then you got the H&R springs. How low are that supposed to make it?
It's supposed to be 1.5 inches.
1.5 inches, so you see right here, that's the gap right there. So it's gonna drop it down, it's gonna close this gap up a little bit more. Then he gonna add this. Hold this real quick. So this is what it looked like before. Shit look weak without it. It actually look weak without Wicker Bill, bro.
Hell yeah, it does.
So you see what it looked like before. I'm gonna show you what it looked like after. You see I already got mine on.
Aggressive.
Yeah, you see I switched the sticker out on it too.
Yep.
Made it bigger so it fits up in it.
Gotta represent.
Got to, man. You see both 2019s. And you just got the mid-muffler delete, right? Did you ever put the new tires on here? Is these the new tires now?
I gotta order them.
Oh, okay, I thought you did. Well, yeah, he about to put two 275s all the way around. You about to wrap the trunk, right?
Huh?
You gonna wrap the trunk? Oh, the hood and the roof. Yeah, he gonna wrap the hood and the roof. Satin black. Satin black. Still got the stock wheels on there. So you got the sticker right there. About to switch that out. That's pretty much it. Once he get it done, I'll show you what it look like. See his bad charger right here. EK Custom. Graphic right here. Got the HELLCAT wheels on it. This is an RT HELLCAT wheels. Bad. Alright, there you go. You see, got the Wicker Bill on there. Got it lowered 1.5 inches. See, tucking out, boy. 392. Quick walk around, so that's basically it. Like I said, he about to do some other shit. I'll do an update video. Just something quick, show you the Wicker Bill. Got it lowered. That's pretty much it. Alright, so I'm just about to do a quick comparison. It's a 2019 Scatpack, mid-muffler delete, 2019 Scatpack, straight pipe. So I'm gonna crank this up, let it idle. He gonna rev it a couple of times, turn it off, and gonna do the same thing to this, just so you can hear the difference. So you go ahead and do that one. Make sure you switch to the track mode. That shit loud, huh?
Hell yeah. About to do that to mine.
Got to, man. All right, so that was 2019 Scatpack straight pipe, 2019 Scatpack mid-muffler delete. that's basically it. Y'all to comment which one sound better. You definitely know which one is louder. Like I said, this is somebody in my car club. I'll be tagging him. Make sure you follow him on Instagram. Follow his build. He got way more stuff coming. I'll be doing an update video. Plus, he be posting shit on his Instagram. And you already know, browse through my channel and see anything I got done to my car. It's all on there. That's pretty much it.
Was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out.